Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look in the upper right corner and you will see three lines there. Press on them, and after that you should press on your name. And here you will see right under your name the edit profile option. Press on it, and here you can change your full name, your email or Gmail address, your phone number, the city, the language, the nationality, and finally the time zone. So in this case I haven't provided a city, I'm just going to write one, and a time zone. I'm just going to select a random one here. And after that all I have to do is just press save and enter my password. After all of that is done, you can see that your profile was edited successfully. If you go back again, you can see that all the information you have provided is saved. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.